Coming in first place is Jimmy and Tam.
Winners!
Oh, my God.
OK, you won. Which house?
You can say it.
Number 5.
Yeah.
The winner of week 1 on the block 2020. It's Jimmy and Tam.
Yes!
Can they do it again? The answer is... yes, they did.
Jimmy and Tam know exactly how to build a space that makes your heart sing, makes you happy.
It's a tie.
Tam won $5 cash.
Tam won $5 cash.
We've only won 16 rounds.
They really need it, yeah.
When it's a 10.
You're excited, but then you're like sort of looking out the corner of your eye like, Jimmy and Tam.
They won again.
You want to do that again? Again?
Yeah.
Again?
Couldn't believe it. Could not believe it.
I could believe it.
The winner is...
Jimmy and Tam.
You beauty.
It was like an awesome challenge to win, but at the same time, you know that the target on your back is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
And Jimmy and Tam won again.
We're so happy for them.
Nah.
It's starting to become a bad word now, Jimmy and Tam. You start getting, like, ulcers and stuff.
They've got so much prize money. They've got the point in there to play. It's just like, they're just almost unstoppable.
By half a name, I mean point. It's Jimmy and Tam.
Can't stop me now.
She's dirty, Jazz
She's
is dirty.
really
She
dirty.
didn't even, like, look at us. She just walked straight off.
She walked straight off.
Winners are Team Jimmy.
Have you heard people complain about money?
Haven't we heard about people complaining about money?
Have we heard about it?
Me.
No. What are you talking about? No one complains about money around here.
With a score of 324 points across the series, the winners of the superpower and the domain cover are by just half a point over the entire series. It comes down to half a point again. It's Jimmy and Tam.
Did someone say domain cover?
That's
Wow, superpower. But in
that's
the pocket.
just that's a big deal.
It's a big deal.
Kind of a big deal.